Today I'm going to be using the new set of the Honolulu Ohuhu alcohol markers. There are 320 beautiful colours in this set. There is also a new colour code system which we will go through together. Let's not forget to mention this amazing packaging. It comes with a little booklet, a little plastic sleeve that you can put between your pages, and also the colour swatch sheets as well. I'm going to be also using my new marker pads as well today. They come with a really sturdy thick band, a really nice cover, and they also lay flat, which is great. The pages are also perforated, and there's also a really nice pocket at the back that you can store things in if you like. Now we're going to explain the new colour system. Here I have an old Ohuhu marker and a new Honolulu Ohuhu marker. They both still look the same, they feel the same, and they also still have the same chisel tip and the brush tip, but the colour codes are a lot easier to understand. The new Ohuhu colour system is now broken up into 3 different groups. Group 1 is the colour family. This is where it shows what colour the group belongs to. So if it's an R, it means that it's from the red group. Group 2 determines the colour saturation. And Group 3 determines the colour brightness, and these are the last 1 to 3 digits of the code. To show you an example, this marker shows us that it's from the BG group. This means it's from the blue and green group. The saturation number is always the one in the middle. It's always a single digit. These are both number 3, which means they're going to blend really well together. The number on the end is going to dictate the colour brightness. So my number 15 is going to be darker than my number 11. Before going in with my marker, I'm going to sketch out my idea with my new Ohuhu marker pad. Now we're going to go through how we use the new Ohuhu colour system. So I've chosen to use 2 colours that have the same colour saturation and that are from the same colour group. I'm always starting with my lightest colour and then going in with the darker colour. This makes the blending process a whole lot easier. I've decided to add some more layers to my drawing using this orange colour to give my starfish a little bit more texture and dimension. Now it's time for adding some more details and dimension using my Ohuhu colour pencils. I like to add details as I go, so I'm going to use my Ohuhu acrylic paint pens to add in some highlights. Now I'm going to start colouring in this jellyfish. I'm using my B05 and my B03. I'm starting in with the B03 as it is a lighter blue, and then I'm going to work my way up into using the B05. Just to refresh, both of these markers both have the same saturation level being 0 and a very similar brightness level, which means they're blending in really well together. I just wanted to give you a nice little hack, being that you don't always have to blend 2 or 3 colours together. You can also use one coloured marker, let it dry, and then go over again with the same marker and it will show up darker. I just wanted to say a massive thank you to Ohuhu for always making my creative projects possible. And also, I highly recommend these markers, and I believe that every artist should have some of these in their art supply set.